Don't you move a muscle, Whitey. Come on. That's John Mossy. Come on. Oh, come on, big fella. That's come. I'll get any closer. Come on. Give it up for Mossy, yeah, isn't he awesome? Alright, that was pretty slow for Mossy. He's in the middle of winter, so can't give him that much heck about it. But when he really means business, he can strike out from the tip of his nose to the base of his tail, literally in the blink of an eye. There's not a single animal in the Aussie bush that could avoid that attack. Even whitebird would struggle, I tell you. Now, they'll strike out for two reasons. First one being food, and the second one being territory. These guys are fiercely territorial. There's nothing more that they hate than a silly zookeeper mucking around in their water. So who wants to see Jeremy do something dumb again and jump back in the water?
What? No, you don't do that.
Fair dinkum though, Jez. I reckon whitebirds got thicker legs than you. Alright, off you go.
What?
Waters.
Alright, all we're going to do now is get Mossy out one more time, just to see how fast he can really go with his heart solid ground. Now some people tell you they can run as fast as a horse. If that's the case, well, Stewie's in a lot of trouble because I'm pretty sure I'm quicker than him, but we'll see what happens. Oh my God, come on. No, you can come out quicker than that. Come on. So while he's still in the water there, still potentially, come on. A couple of flicks of that tail and he can come right out real quick. But once he comes out, no, see ya.
Does somebody else want to go?
Like I said, with your 14 foot and 400 kilos, you do whatever you want. And he's just carrying. Alright, see what that. Oh, that got his attention.
Oh.
I don't think he's looking at a little bit of make my hand. He's looking at the big bit.
You know you're my pat, Jez.
I'm patting him. I'm looking at the size of those teeth, but you are a naughty crocodile. Bring him back over here. Mossman does like to play games with you. Right now, he's just playing that little game. It's called Come Closer. You can play it, but you don't have to play it once. Come on.
Just going over. Checking it out.
On we go. Well,
So Jez has got to be really careful here. While Mossy still has his whole tail in the water, he can literally strike past Jeremy right now if he wanted to, which is not ideal. Please don't do that, Mossman.
he's looking straight at my head right now. He definitely wants to be. Come on. Mossy, you can do better than that. He's just opening his mouth saying, please insert here. This is also a bit of a practice play. He's opening his mouth right now, showing me his big teeth. Like I say, this is what you've got to deal with. Come on. Come here, Whitey. Come on. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Give it up for Mossman, he did try it, Dad. You can see how reluctant he is. That's because Mossman knows in the water is where he's dangerous. That's where he has the advantage. Out. Oh.
Whitey's better show you how it's done, Jess.
Whitey's better show me how it's done. Don't do it, buddy. Out on land though, he's very slow and very cumbersome. Like I mentioned earlier, 400 plus kilos. He's got 4 short stumpy little legs and a big massive tail which is half his body length. When he comes out on land, he's got to drag that everywhere he goes. In the water though, that's a completely different story. He is absolutely dynamite. Bottom line is staying safe from Crocs is simple. All you have to do is stay 4 to 5 metres back from the edge of the water, not like Whitey right now. Now don't overhang the water like Stewie showed you earlier, and definitely don't go swimming with them, stay out of the water. You'll never come into conflict with a large male saltwater crocodile.
In Australia, the saltwater crocodile is our apex predator. They play a vital role in our ecosystems, making sure our waterways stay healthy and resilient.
And have a go at him. They really are the last living link to the dinosaur era. 260 million years in the making, and mate, you are now looking at a reptile that is so perfect, he hasn't had to change for the last 65 million years.
That's exactly right. Now, we don't expect you all to go away from here today loving Crocs like we do, because, well, Jess and I, we get to work with them every single day, so we are a little bit fanatical. But if you guys can go away with a little bit more respect and appreciation for the important role that these guys play in our northern ecosystems, then that's all we can ask. Now, guys, pretty big announcement for you all. Just letting you know that in approximately a week's time, the team from Australia Zoo, in conjunction with the Irwin family and the University of Queensland, will be heading up to the Seaville Wildlife Reserve and conducting the 2018 annual